Hello, so I'm just going to quickly show how I use TMUX, and I'm also doing the Jeremy Chone video or learning from it. So let's go to Axum, let's clear the screen, make the font a bit bigger for this video. And I need to bring up TMUX and do TMUX A, and I've saved a session. No, TMUX, okay. And then Control A, which is my prefix, and then Control R, which is to restore. And this is the day after. So previously I was working on this yesterday. I've installed the plugin to do restore session. Just do. The only one thing is with the PowerShell thing. No, not PowerShell. You know what I mean. The Powerline P10K thing. It just makes you get a bit of mess. Anyway, right. So if I go back in history, and I want to so it's still got the history from recently. So it doesn't save the bash history, which is a bit annoying. So what I'm going to do is just jump across to my red and green website and then pick up the commands that I need. I know it's cargo watch -q -c -w. It's maybe I need to add those as a snippet. But here we go. Here's my article on red and green. It's the most recent one from November 15th. And I need, let me zoom in on that as well. I need to be using cargo watch -q -c -w, watch the source folder, execute, run. So let's put that into here. So now the Axum server is up and running. And the other one I need to do is I need to monitor my test folder with the quick dev. So if this doesn't make much sense, check out the Jeremy Chone video and then you'll know that he sets up a test directory and he uses his cargo crate HTTPC. Let me just run this and we'll go and look at it. So that's running okay, and it's actually executed the quick dev. You can see it's returning. I had Bob, so then I changed it to something different. So if we come down in the code, you'll see I've got a route or route handler that's looking for hello2 / and then the name. So if you pass in, for instance, here's a note like hello / XOB, then that was what I got. Because, let me just close that. And we'll look in the test directory. Quick dev. So what that's doing is basically running a test with hello / zob. When I run the code up here, which was what you saw, the cargo watch -q. So -q is quiet, -c is clear, -w is watch, tests is a directory where I've got my quick dev code. Again, -quiet. It's not easy to remember. So yeah, if you want a handy place, just come here, copy it if you want, save it, store it as a snippet if you use VS Code, store it with a key binding if you use Vim. But basically and there's a screenshot here, and if you click on it, you can see what I've just shown in the video. So it's kind of there for you to reference back to. So that's just using the hello handler, and then further down, there's another screenshot actually using the hello2 handler, or the other type of handler where we've got. I know that's the Bob one again. Sorry. So anyway, that's how you can. Was that one Bob? No, I just shared the sequential screenshots. Anyway, and if you're interested in restoring your session, you need to install Vim, the nvim plugin. Sorry, the TMUX plugin, TMUX-resurrect. And to use it, so your prefix, by default it'd be Control B. I've set mine to Control A because then you can do it a bit more easily one-handed. And then Control S saves, TMUX environment saved. If I do Control A, Control R, it restores. So yeah, there you go. TMUX, brilliant. Once you get the hang of it. I need more coffee, sorry. So yeah, TMUX and running Cargo Watch, two really nice things to be able to use and master. Still work in progress, but hopefully I've given you some inspiration. If you need to edit your TMUX config, you need to go to home directory, then config dot no, it's tmux dot conf. There we go. So home dot tmux dot conf, and there you can see I've installed the resurrect plugin there, and then at the end that line actually runs the resurrect bit. So thanks for watching. Back soon with another video.